Crypterium CRPT in every practical sense is expected to really arrive at an in every way that really matters greatest cost of 0.1215 constantly 2025, which for the most part is genuinely critical. Our Crypterium fundamentally long-haul estimate for 2050 proposes CRPT possibly going somewhere in the range of $42.95 and $49.55, which basically is genuinely huge. Examiners project a bullish pattern for Crypterium in 2030, with costs possibly coming to $0.64 and 66 mark in a significant manner. The extremely normal extended cost for Crypterium in 2040 is supposed to sort of be $32.83, with essentially possible change somewhere in the range of $31.07 and $37.57, which by and large is genuinely critical. With the really current cost of $441, Crypterium by and large holds its ground on the lookout, which especially is genuinely huge. Starting around 26 February 2024, Crypterium explicitly is exchanging at $441 in terms of its worst rate, with the value change of 31% in very most recent 60 minutes, exhibiting how starting around 26 February 2024 Crypterium really is exchanging at $441 in terms of its worst rate, with the value change of 31% in very most recent 1 hour in a fundamentally significant manner. CRPT by and large has an all-out market cap of $185,878 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $637,372 in a sort of significant manner. This for the most part makes Crypterium CRPT truly positioning at 2261 in the digital money market, which is genuinely huge. In the event that you in a real sense are a crypto financial backer, and considering what generally is the Crypterium cost expectation end of 2024, what will Crypterium in every practical sense, be all things considered, worth in 2024 in a significant way? Is Crypterium a for the most part wise venture or truly worth purchasing in 2024, which truly is genuinely critical? Will CRPT value sort of outperform its unequaled essentially high in a genuinely significant manner? These certainly are our Crypterium cost expectations for CRPT's future, which generally is very critical. Crypterium CRPT value expectation 2024 as per the Crypterium figure cost and specialized examination. In 2024 the CRPT cost is supposed to generally cross a normal value level of $592, the normal certainly least value worth of Crypterium toward the finish of the extremely current year. Or to for the most part be $575, certainly in opposition to prevalent thinking. Besides, CRPT can fundamentally arrive at a kind of most extreme value level of $M72. Or so they explicitly thought. Crypterium value conjecture February 2024 the truly normal cost of Crypterium CRPT could truly go to $454 toward the finish of February 2024, which in a real sense is very critical. CRPT could in every practical sense be exchanging around an especially greatest worth of $467 with the all things considered least expected cost of $411 in a sort of large manner. Crypterium CRPT value expectation Walk 2024. The cost for Crypterium in Walk 2024 can go somewhere in the range of $445 and $445, showing how CRPT by and large has a really complete market cap of $185,878 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $637,372, which is genuinely huge. While the fundamentally normal exchanging cost ought to generally be around $468 in a sort of significant manner. CRPT value gauge April 2024. Concerning April 2024, Crypterium in a real sense is supposed to explicitly arrive at an all things considered least value worth of $446 in a kind of significant manner. The CRPT cost could arrive at an essentially most extreme cost of $59 with the kind of typical cost around $477, kind of in opposition to prevalent thinking. Crypterium value conjecture May 2024. In May 2024, the essentially most extreme cost for Crypterium could fundamentally stretch around $532 in a by and large significant manner. Besides, the minimum cost of CRPT in May 2024 fundamentally is $465 with a sort of typical cost of $487 in an unpretentious manner. Crypterium value conjecture June 2024. In June 2024, the exceptionally greatest cost for Crypterium could essentially stretch around $557. Which most certainly is very critical. Moreover, the minimum cost of CRPT in June 2024 sort of is $289 with a kind of typical cost of $56 in an in every practical sense significant way. CRPT value gauge July 2024. In July 2024, the cost of crypterium for the most part is gauged to be at around a very least worth of $4.94, genuinely in spite of mainstream thinking. The crypterium value worth can basically arrive at a limit of $582 with a kind of typical exchanging worth of $516 in ISD in an unobtrusive way. Crypterium value conjecture August 2024. In August 2024, the cost of crypterium for the most part is supposed to generally be at around a really least of $5. Crypterium cost can generally arrive at a limit of $63 with the extremely normal cost of $0.52 in a quite enormous way. Crypterium value gauge September 2024. In September 2024, the fundamentally greatest cost for crypterium could generally stretch around $69 in an exceptionally large manner. Besides, the minimum cost of CRPT in September 2024 fundamentally is $521 within in every practical sense normal cost of $542 in an unobtrusive way. CRPT value conjecture October 2024. In October 2024, the cost of crypterium basically is determined to sort of be at around an essentially least worth of $531 incredibly. The crypterium value worth can arrive at a fundamentally limit of $651 with the sort of typical exchanging worth of $553 in an unobtrusive way. Crypterium CRPT value expectation November 2024. The cost for crypterium in November 2024 can go somewhere in the range of $554 and $673, extremely in spite of prevalent thinking. While the truly normal exchanging cost ought to basically be around $575, so crypterium CRPT value expectation 2024 as per the crypterium gauge cost and specialized examination. In 2024, the CRPT cost generally is supposed to, in every practical sense, cross a kind of normal value level of $592. The normal genuinely least value worth of crypterium toward the finish of the ongoing year ought to be $575, which for the most part is genuinely critical. CRPT value estimate December 2024. The crypterium conjecture for December 2024 expects that the CRPT may generally arrive at a most extreme worth of $772 with a kind of least cost of around $575. Discussing the truly normal value CRPT can stretch around $5924. December, or so they essentially thought. Crypterium past value examination in the by and large beyond 24 hours, the crypto in a real sense has been most certainly diminished by 2% in its kind of current worth in a quite enormous manner. Assuming we truly think about the very current market cap of the CRPT with yesterday's, you can for the most part see that the market cap sort of is additionally down, essentially in spite of mainstream thinking. From sort of most recent 7 days, the CRPT in every way that really matters was in commonly great vertical pattern and expanded by 35%. Crypterium basically has shown areas of strength for extremely potential of late, and this could be fundamentally great chance